Good day, Crime Talk aficionados. This is Scott Reisch of Crime Talk, and today we have an update on the Heidi Broussard homicide case. Who thought this was the turn it was going to take? And next, we also have an announcement regarding Ann Howard coming to Crime Talk. Let's talk about it. Good day, Crime Talk aficionados. This is Scott Reisch of Crime Talk, and thank you for tuning in. If you have not already done so, please subscribe to our channel. If you like it, hit that little thumbs up. Please leave us a comment about what we talk about today because we want to know what you have to say. So, first, the Heidi Broussard matter. For those who don't know, Heidi Broussard and her young daughter, Margot, went missing last week. And Heidi's boyfriend/fiance, Shane Carey, was seen on TV looking nervous and scared. And perhaps he just doesn't like speaking in public, but a lot of people thought that maybe he had something to do with Heidi and Margot's disappearance. We told people he's given the presumption of innocence, but I'm going to be honest with you, it looked a little suspicious. Well, now things have taken a turn. Magan Fieramusca, also known as a Magan Humphrey, is a Texas woman who's been arrested in connection with the death of Heidi Broussard. Now, Broussard was 33, has been missing since December 12th, having been last seen dropping her son off at Cowan Elementary School. Now, Broussard was found dead in Jersey Village, less than 20 miles northwest of Houston, 150 miles from where she had been last seen on December 19th. Her now 3-week-old daughter, Margot Carey, was found alive and, according to paramedics, in good condition. A car at the home where police found Heidi Broussard dead was registered to a Magan Rose Fieramusca. Broussard was found dead in the trunk of her car. The manner of death has not yet been determined or released. Fieramusca is now being held on kidnapping and tampering with a corpse charge, and her bond is currently set at $600,000. The week-long search for Broussard has involved the FBI, the Austin Police Department, and the Texas Rangers, as well as the Travis County Search and Rescue units. The body found at Fieramusca's home was confirmed as being Broussard by her mother. Now, in a 2013 Facebook post, Heidi Broussard referred to Magan Humphrey as her best friend. Fieramusca has apparently been pretending to be pregnant around the same time of Broussard's death. Reports from the police add that Fieramusca had been plotting to take Margot Carey before the child had been born. A registry on the Bump website for Fieramusca said her and Christopher Green were having a baby and was going to be due on or about December 1st. Police are investigating the possibility that Fieramusca had accomplices in this plot. According to police reports, the police went to Jersey Village to the home where Broussard was found dead because they were interested in a car parked in the backyard. Apparently, more than 20 officers were on scene at one point when Broussard was found dead in the trunk. Around the same time that emergency responders found Heidi Broussard dead, Margot Carey was found unarmed, according to the police. DNA tests were administered to prove that Margot was the baby that authorities retrieved. Now, Shane Carey, who a lot of us jumped to conclusions on, was the father of Margot. And last week, he had spoken to the police that he had last seen Broussard about 8 a.m. on December 12th. Carey said that he had returned home from work around 2 p.m. and found Broussard and his daughter were gone, but yet all their items were present in the house or in her car. The police do not believe that Shane Carey had any involvement of this plot whatsoever. As I stated, this is a good example of presumption of innocence. A lot of people, we said he's presumed innocent, but it did look a little suspicious, his mannerisms. But can you imagine if you've never been thrown into the limelight to be standing there and people automatically are suspecting you've done nothing wrong other than call the police and say, my daughter and my fiance are now missing, and you're suddenly the suspect? Perhaps he had reason to be nervous. How would you react? This just goes to show that life can be stranger than fiction, but we need to give the people presumptions of innocence until we know all the facts. Oftentimes, we all do it. We jump too early before we have all of the facts. Next on the docket, Ann Howard. She is the author who had her work plagiarized, allegedly, by Cheryl Lynn Cadle. When you look at the side-by-sides, it's probably more than allegedly. She will be joining us tomorrow, and we hope to have that interview up sometime tomorrow afternoon. I hope you look forward to it. I am, and we hope that you tune in. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe so that you receive notifications of when we put up new content. Hit that little bell. Leave us a comment. What do you think about the Heidi Broussard case? Were you one of those that jumped to conclusions? Or did you think, hey, maybe we need to wait till we hear the whole story? The police did their job, and they found the person responsible. At least it appears to be that way. So we'll have to wait and see. Everyone is presumed innocent unless and until they plead guilty or are convicted at trial. This is Scott Reisch from Crime Talk. Have a great day.